In this module, we will take a look at the work history screen. If you click on File, Employee, Work History, you will notice that Paula Armstrong's file is still there, the same employee we were using on the last screen. If we want to choose another employee, you would press F8 and then proceed to choose, in our case, Trevor Burton. You'll notice a variety of information for this employee, including the salary section, performance, job, status, higher seniority, and the work section. The idea is to treat each section independently, and only the things that change on this effective date on the top left will have changed down here. So for example, on January 15, 2000, Trevor Burton received a performance review and nothing else has changed. So let's create a new record for Trevor by changing the effective date to reflect a new calendar date. We will choose to make changes on Trevor's screen, for example, give a salary change and a performance rating on November the 1st, 2004. So type that date, press enter, and you'll see the words new record on the top right corner reflecting a new page in the person's file. So first change will be in the salary area, so you'd have to type in the same date to reflect the change, put a reason for this change, in our case merit, and we're about to change his hourly pay to an annual amount, so we will change the period to A, and his new salary will be $28,500 per year. When you press enter, the system will verify this salary within a range of the grade and tell you that a step was not found, which is okay because we're changing from hourly to annual. So what we will do is delete *102 and choose another one. We will choose H002 as our salary grade. The system automatically calculates a compa ratio of 146.15 and denotes that the salary increase was a 27% increase. Trevor's next salary review will be on his next anniversary date, which is always a year from the current hire date. In our case, we'll make it 051505. Trevor also received a performance rating on that date, so we would need to change the rating date first to reflect 11/01/04, and then change the rating, so delete 3ME, to let's say number 1, which is exceeded expectation. His next review for performance purposes will be on the same date as his salary review, 051505. Those were the only two things that changed for Trevor on this specific date, so we would actually save the record by clicking the Save button or press F10. Once you save it, you might get a message that asks for you to manually overwrite. This is an influence on the benefits screen. In our case, we don't need to worry about it because we know that any changes in the salary should automatically update basic life insurance coverage, so we would click OK. We can then proceed to create additional records, or if you want to put the file back, you would press F8 and a new employee can be chosen. In part 2 of work history in the next clip, we'll actually take a look at how to make additional changes to an employee's file in the future, for example a promotion or a job change or a department change, and ultimately we will see how to terminate